A Krones beverage line is engineered to extraordinary tolerances. The continuous blender can dose up to 8 distinct ingredients with extreme, Brix-controlled accuracy. At the center of this process are the programmable logic controllers, or PLCs. They see absolutely everything, actively monitoring hundreds of real-time variables like temperatures, flow rates, and the exact volume of pulp transferred into a tank. But these controllers are built exclusively for the present tense. They are designed to monitor live operations, not to maintain a historical memory. That creates an immediate problem. The moment a bottle moves down the line, the exact data proving its quality disappears with it. For a brand owner with strict traceability requirements, like Coca-Cola, this is a major vulnerability. You have a world-class physical line running perfectly, but absolutely no digital record to back it up.
Think about what happens when a franchise auditor flags a completed batch as off-spec for sugar content, or Brix. Plant engineers have to scramble. They pull printed log sheets and piece together PLC printouts, trying to guess exactly where the deviation crept in. The root cause of this scramble is write-only data. Historical batches live inside the controller's local memory and are quickly overwritten. Trying to investigate a past error is like trying to read a book after the pages have been burned. This lack of history creates a specific liability around food safety compliance. Every event triggered by the juice pasteurizer's flow diversion valve has to be tracked, and logging that manually leaves a wide margin for error. Mechanical engineering cannot solve an auditing crisis. To actually prove what happened, the plant requires a permanent, replayable digital memory. The challenge is that no plant manager wants to touch the code inside a perfectly calibrated Krones PLC. Modifying those programs risks bleeding a multi-million-dollar OEM warranty. That is exactly where Itanta Analytics comes in. Itanta's core platform is deployed on top of the existing architecture, rather than altering it. It acts as a continuous historian. Every regular cycle, Itanta pulls over 500 signals of interest from the Krones controllers and writes each value to an external time series database. Importantly, this connection is strictly one-way and read-only. The PLC programs themselves are completely untouched. By capturing the information without touching the controls, ephemeral machine metrics instantly become a permanent, queryable record, keeping the original validation envelope completely intact. Raw data alone isn't enough. A continuous stream of flow rates and temperatures is just an endless, context-free ocean of numbers that no human can decipher quickly. This graph shows a continuous data stream, representing hours of unfiltered machine output. To make it useful, Itanta applies a process called batch contextualization. The continuous feed is automatically sliced into distinct batches based on recipe, destination tank, and specific start and end times. An engineer can pull up any specific past batch by its unique ID and watch a replay of the exact sequence of temperatures, valve states, and transferred volumes that created it. Contextualizing the data means that when something goes off spec, deviations are investigable. The plant's operation shifts from anecdotal guesswork to absolute, replayable proof. This level of clarity becomes even more critical when you step back from a single machine and look at an entire bottling network spanning multiple facilities. Traditionally, the blender, the pasteurizer, and the cleaning skids each speak their own tag dialect. Asking a cross-station question is nearly impossible when the machines don't share a common language. Itanta reconciles these fragmented dialects into a single, unified tag schema, so those cross-station questions can finally be asked and answered. This standardized playbook is currently running across 5 major Coca-Cola bottlers in India, including SLMG and Moon Beverages. This is a productized, repeatable rollout. The exact same data layer sits on top of each site, standardizing quality control on a national scale. Previously, assembling a batch report for an audit required days of manual engineering time per cycle. Now, that entire process collapses down to a single click. Quality assurance teams can pull on-demand PDF and Excel reports that cover ingredient-level dosing, recipe step progression, and the complete pasteurizer phase log. Itanta gives operators of Krones lines the one thing the lines don't: a complete, searchable, exportable record of every batch they ever produced. Krones builds the line. Itanta builds the record. Visit itanta.ai to see how the core platform can turn your existing lines into full